Small-scale fisheries, or SSF, in Asia represent 47% of global capture fisheries and provide livelihoods for 46 million people. Women account for 40% of this workforce. These fisheries contribute $53.3 billion to the economy and are vital to the lives of coastal communities. In 2014, FAO endorsed the SSF Guidelines to promote sustainability and equity, which were reaffirmed at the 2024 Small-Scale Fisheries Summit, as the guidelines mark their 10th anniversary in 2024. The Regional SSF Workshop in Bangkok in March 2025, co-organized by SEAFDEC and FAO, brought together governmental officials and SSF representatives from across Asia. The workshop aimed to evaluate progress, exchange best practices, and develop actionable recommendations to guide future implementation and strengthen the role of small-scale fisheries in the region. Dr. Suthini Limthamahisorn, SEAFDEC Secretary General, opened the workshop with welcome remarks. She emphasizes the vital role of small-scale fisheries play in South and Southeast Asia. Ms. Angela Lintisco then gave the keynote address. She explained why the SSF guidelines matter and introduced the workshop's background, goals, and agenda. FAO, SEAFDEC, and partners provided a global overview and regional progress on the implementation of the SSF guidelines. It highlighted key milestones, success stories, and challenges in aligning national policy with the guidelines. Emphasis was placed on the importance of sustainable development in small-scale fisheries, focusing on enhanced governance, improved social protection, food security, and the livelihoods of fishing communities. The panelists from different countries and sectors highlighted the progress of integrating small-scale fisheries into national policies, focusing on social, economic, environmental, and health-related areas. They evaluated the effectiveness of these policies in ensuring the inclusion of local fishing communities in national development programs and identified successful strategies for enhancing their participation. Representatives from 12 countries share their successes and challenges in implementing the SSF guidelines. The countries included Bangladesh, Cambodia, India, Indonesia, Lao PDR, Malaysia, Maldives, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Timor-Leste, and Viet Nam. Participants from different countries had working group discussions on how to put the SSF guidelines into action at the national and regional levels. They also explore ways to build partnerships and identify the tools and resources needed for success. Experts from governments, NGOs, national organizations, and academia presented innovative approaches to resilience, community empowerment, and leveraging technology for small-scale fisheries development. FAO and SEAFDEC presented various valuable resources, practical guidance materials, and regionally developed tools to support the implementation of the SSF guidelines. Participants were divided into 6 stakeholder groups, namely Regional Advisory Group, Government in South Asia, Government of Southeast Asia, Academia, INGO or CSO, and Regional Organization, to discuss developing strategic action plans for implementing the SSF guidelines at national and regional levels as appropriate. The discussions also aimed to foster partnerships and identify additional tools and resources necessary for successful implementation. Representatives from each group presented outcomes and recommendations, including key priorities for future initiatives and regional action plans. Ms. Lina and Ms. Angela from FAO presented the consolidated 15 key outcomes and recommendations from all group discussions. Dr. Suthini delivered the closing remarks, expressing appreciation to all participants for their active engagement, valuable contributions, and for sharing their experiences.